Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll talk about entity. First, we'll try to understand what is entity and we'll see it with example and type of entities. Okay, let's try to understand what is entity first. It is an object that exists and is distinguishable from other objects. Or you can say that entity is an thing in real world with an independent existence. Or you can say an entity is something that has a distinct, separate existence, although it need not be a material existence. In particular, abstraction and legal functions are usually regarded as entities. In general, there is no preassumptions that an entity is animate. So, based on this concept, an entity can be two type, which is having the physical existence, and the second one which is having no physical existence but that have a conceptual existence. So mainly we can say that entities can be divided into two types. First one is the tangible entity and the second one is the intangible entity. Tangible entity that exists physically in the real world, for example a person, a car, a bottle, a chair, a table, a computer, a laptop. So these are some examples of tangible entity. And if we'll talk about the definition, then you can say an object with a physical existence that is called the tangible entity. And if we'll talk about the intangible entity, these entities exist logically but have no physical existence. For example, a bank account, a concept, a university, a company, a job. So these are some examples of intangible entity. So an object with a conceptual existence is called the intangible entity. Okay, and all these conceptual entity and each entity has attributes and the particular properties or attribute that describe the conceptual existence or the logical existence of intangible entity. So I hope it's clear that what is entity and the types of entity. So we'll talk about more concept in our next video. So let me conclude this video. Entities represents the real world things. Entities represent the real world thing. These are data objects which maintain the different relationship with each other. For example, employee, department. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.